This device, thinner than your finger, stores every photo, every file, every memory you've ever saved digitally. Samsung produces over 300 million storage devices every year. Right now, a Samsung SSD is storing data somewhere in every country on Earth.
Today, Process Pulse Factory takes you inside the most advanced storage manufacturing operation ever built. Minjun has spent 16 years perfecting the technology that stores the world's data. Most people have never considered that a person makes this possible.
Every photo on Minjun's phone is stored on NAND flash technology his team helped develop. He finds that connection impossible to take for granted. His daughter wrote her university entrance essay on a laptop running a Samsung SSD. She doesn't know her father's work made it possible.
Shift starts. And somewhere on this floor, the memory cells that will store someone's most important files begin their journey.
The temperature is rising faster than expected during the oxygen pulse.
I'm compensating with the carrier gas flow now.
Welcome to the future of memory. Samsung's vNAND technology stacks layer upon layer.
We're getting an overlay error here.
Okay, adjusting the parameters now. Looks like it passed.
Keep an eye on the focus drift.
Stable.
The depth on layer 150 looks nominal.
Agreed. The profile uniformity is holding steady across the wafer. I apologize, but this section requires higher clearance. You'll have to stop here. This comprehensive NDA protects all proprietary information discussed today. We require your signature on page 7 before proceeding.
By optimizing the thermal exchange rate in the primary manifold, we were able to increase efficiency by nearly 20% over the previous model.
I understand the implications of that question. Let me be very clear. The structural integrity reports were filed on schedule.
ถ้าสีหลังปากเจ็ดเย็ดเต็มถูกซึ่งมีเพจในกระดาษทักเจ็ดกระดาษประแสงใส่ออดเลนกระตุ่มกองนี้ตก
That's a precise cut on the 128-layer structure.
And the thermal mapping confirms the stability across the wafer.
By understanding the physics of the charge states within the NAND cell, we can leverage multi-level storage, as shown in this diagram.
Look at the measurement here. It's definitely curving inward.
Let's rotate the view to confirm the axis.
Samsung's VNAND progression, 32 layers, 64, 128, 176, 236, pushing the engineering limit further.
The selectivity measurements confirmed the plasma differentiation is precise.
Yes, the uniformity across the wafer is excellent.
Look at the thermal gradient here. The constraints are cascading with the layer count.
Yes, we are exceeding the limit at this point. We must adjust the sequence.
Our critical dimension scanning electron microscopes ensure meticulous measurement of every wafer, guaranteeing precision at multiple production stages.
That's where the jam occurred. Check the feeder mechanism.
Running diagnostics now. We've got a sensor failure on the tungsten hopper.
After the 2022 event, the new predictive valve health monitoring system was installed across all tungsten process gas delivery lines.
The trend line is officially red. I need the isolation sequence started now and notify regulatory immediately.
The purity issue affects the entire lot. We can't use it for the NAND process.
So we're idling the line.
Not yet.
We see a slight deviation here at the 1,000-hour mark.
The temperature correlation explains the variance. We are still within parameters.
The overnight run at Samsung's facility requires precision. A lean crew works tirelessly to meet the demanding yield targets.
The PE cycles at 85 degrees Celsius are holding strong past the 5,000 mark.
Yes, the degradation slope is well within the acceptable threshold.
Hospital imaging systems, financial trading platforms, cloud service infrastructure, all running Samsung Enterprise.
The technology we are studying today is directly applicable to the careers waiting for you right here after graduation.
So glad we saved these.
Yeah, look at that one.
The overlay is still showing a slight deviation on the left array.
Yes, adjust the gas flow rate by 5 SCCM and
The automated system flagged it right at midnight.
Couldn't believe it. Almost spilled my coffee.
At least it wasn't the main turbine this time.
But why do they use steel instead of wood for the beams?
That's a great question. Steel provides much more strength and flexibility for the structure.
What's the current throughput on this line?
We've optimized the wafer transfer rate director. We're seeing a 2% gain.
This is the critical juncture I mentioned. 5 years ago, we had an uncontrolled exothermic reaction right here. We nearly lost the reactor.
See this spike here? That's the pressure fluctuation we discussed.
Is that within the acceptable range?
Barely. We need to monitor the next batch closely. Everything is in order. Well done.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You've seen how it's made. Now tell us, what surprised you most about what goes into the drive storing your data?
Next on Process Pulse Factory, we go inside a facility producing 10 million units of something sitting in your home right now. You've used it today. You've never thought about this.
The extended cut, including the full prototype archive and the restricted reliability lab footage, is available exclusively for Process Pulse Factory members.
Process Pulse Factory. Every week, a new facility, a new process, a new world hidden inside the objects you use every day.